All right, everybody, this is live Doppler 13 meteorologist Sean Ash here, coming up on 2 o'clock. And so far, this weather event is playing out as expected. And unfortunately, that means we've got a lot going on here in terms of slickness on the roads. Accidents and slide-offs are adding up rather quickly. Let's set the whole stage for you first. We're looking at our camera network. A couple of things to point out, and we've been trying to stress this, is that this is going to be a long duration. We've got another 8 to 9 hours of steady snow. Doesn't mean it's going to be heavy during that whole time period. It is just going to be steady. It's going to range from light, and at times it's going to be moderate. We've got some areas where we're getting about a ½ inch per hour rates there near Bloomington. So we show you temperatures this hour in the middle 20s. Radar sequence, and I have radar in intensity mode versus precipitation type, because in this case we know it's all snow here locally. So this lets us a little bit easier identify where the snow pace is a little heavier around our area. So you see that yellowing there over Monroe County, over Brown County, getting into Johnson and Morgan and Bartholomew. That's where we're getting into that 3/10 to possibly 5/10 of an inch per hour rates. Okay, so that is drifting to the northeast. And then as we go up to the north and you start to see a little bit more of this blue color, that's indicative of a little bit lighter snow, but still steady snow. From Lafayette there, Kokomo, Logansport, and then over the metro for pretty much starting right a little bit after 11 o'clock, in between about 11:30. Since then, we've been in this steady snow here. And that will be the case, as I mentioned, for quite some time. I want to expand the radar, and we'll show you more of a regional perspective, just so you can get an idea of how far back you have to go to get to the backside of the snow, and that's beyond Chicago. So that's the cold front that's going to be coming in, and we're in this squeeze play. We've got the true low way south of us. We've got the heaviest snow that's cutting through, now moving out of Arkansas, but cutting through the Tennessee Valley. They are getting absolutely thumped right now. And then we kind of have this hybrid system. Let's switch it over. I want to show you what it looks like from the road perspective here. We've got snow everywhere over central Indiana, and we've got the accidents that are beginning to add up here. So we'll show you our traffic map over central Indiana, and not a surprise that this is unfolding the way it is. We've got accidents all over. We've got numerous ones out by the airport right now. We've got accidents there on I-70, 465 interchange, and then we've got an accident that's up there on the northeast side as well, near Fishers. Okay, so we got a long evening to go through here in central Indiana. Nick, I don't know if you can get the traffic box up for us, but we'll show them what's going on here. Slick and snow-covered roads all over central Indiana at this hour. And as I mentioned, it's not going to take a whole lot. We're not going to have the snow system that we had Sunday and Monday. We've been saying that. We're not going to have 8-10 inch totals. It's just that the ground is colder, and it's just going to be a steady snow until we can get toward about 10 or 11 o'clock. But this is the traffic map. You can see all the accidents. So it'll be interesting to see what happens here over the course of the next couple of hours. May get some early dismissals for some of these school districts. We'll show you some of our NDOT cameras. This is 465 there, 30th Street. You see that car. So we're seeing a lot of this, and we'll continue to see more, I would suspect, as we start to get into more of the heavier volume here in the next couple of hours. Here's the next stop. That is 70. That's High School Road. That's the one that's out by the airport. So the road conditions, I believe, will range from, you can see some of those roads are actually just wet. Bridges, overpasses, elevated surfaces, those on-off ramps, and certainly any of the back roads, the less traveled roads, are just going to be very, very snow covered, the way it looks and the way we expect right now. So, and this is something that we'll continue to monitor. Now our snow rates also, by the way, compared to Sunday night and Monday, we're not going to have the, 1.5 to 2 inch per hour rates. But we will definitely have a steady snow for us as we move forward here. So want to show you how this will play out for future track 13. Okay, so we're starting current time. We'll go into 4 and 5 p.m. Remember, I talked about the backside of that snow it's still west of Chicago. So we have to go through all of this. Temperature is going to be in the middle, lower 20s. You know, and again, if you've got any travel plans, you're probably just going to tack on some extra time. That would include Indianapolis. I can tell you that some of the back roads here in downtown are very slick, very snow covered, and with no end in sight in the snow here. So here is the details on the weather impact alert day that we're currently in. We keep the snow going to at least about 10 o'clock. The heaviest will be occurring between now and 8 p.m. We just got an official snowfall report of just over an inch already at the Weather Service. It'll be an area-wide 2 to 4. I think somewhere between about 3.5 to 4 inches is going to be a pretty common number for a lot of folks. There will be some pockets of 5-inch totals here. The roads will be ranging from wet to snow covered. Extra travel time. I'm going to have to clear out that snow, and there's probably going to be at least some districts that will be letting out early today. So we will have you covered. We're going to keep these live updates going. The next one comes up at the top of the hour, 3 o'clock, and then we'll be back. We'll have our newscast starting at 4 p.m. We'll have you covered from 4 to 6:30 on Channel 13. Of course, you can catch it here as well. Stay with us. We'll see you again at 3 p.m.